This dish from my new book, Real Life Recipes, is harissa-roast pumpkin and feta salad, and it is beautiful. It's one there that's for our vegetarian friends, but you don't need to be just vegetarian to eat it. This is for meat lovers too, because butternut squash is full of flavour, absolutely delicious, and goes so well with the salad like this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to roast our butternut squash. Now I am not going to peel it, I'm just cutting it into wedges. You want them all around about the same size so they cook evenly, about that sort of thickness. It's got a little bit of bite to it when it'll cook. To put in with this, I'm also going to put a tin of cooked chickpeas. Drain the liquid from them and put over the whole tin chickpeas, some olive oil, there's all that, pinch of salt, and here 1 tablespoon of harissa paste. It can be quite hot, so if you don't like it that spicy, don't put too much in. You give it a good mix, make sure it's covered, and then we're going to roast this into a preheated oven at 190 degrees for around about 25 minutes. Okay, whilst my squash and my chickpeas are roasting with the harissa, I'm just going to make a little bit of a dressing. And we do that with some grain mustard, the juice of half a lemon, and then to give a weird kind of sweetness, white balsamic. It's got that kind of beautiful balance of acidity and sweetness. And 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Pinch of salt and leave to one side whilst you have a quick tidy down. And there we go, after around about 20 to 25 minutes, it's roasted. The harissa's kind of like melted and caramelised, and the chickpeas have got this lovely kind of golden, dark, crispy, crunchy colour. They've also gone a little bit crispy. Here, I've got the dressing. I've got some baby spinach leaves. Now, you can use any salad leaves that you want, but I quite like spinach. And just fold them through the dressing, just to give them a light covering. And then on 2 plates, create this lovely base. Keep a little bit of dressing to go over the top. And you just kind of build this salad up. And get your feta cheese. Now, feta is amazing, salty, beautiful in texture, crumbly. Break it up on top of the salad. And lastly, for a bit more texture, I've got some pumpkin seeds here that I've just lightly toasted, giving them that lovely nutty flavour. And then finish it off with a little drizzle of the remaining dressing. And how easy was that? 1 tray in the oven, 1 bowl to make salad. Easy on the washing up as well. That's my harissa roasted pumpkin and feta salad from my new book, Real Life Recipes.